Hey everyone! So I wanted to come on here, make a video, and just talk to you guys about where I've been. It's been a couple of months since I posted, I think, my unboxing of BoxyCharm. I hope that the Kush Mascara review and my influencer experience video has already been posted, so you have watched that one already. I went on vacation a few days ago. Today is the 4th of July. I'm recording on the 4th of July. So I just came back just a few days ago, and if you guys can tell, like, my forehead is completely brown, and then the rest of my face is like pale, and then my body is like really brown as well. So I'm a little bit uneven on the face. But right when I came home, I saw that there was a package waiting for me. This video is going to be kind of similar to the last video that I just posted. I'm sorry if you don't like me chit-chatting with you guys and like these unboxing of Vox boxes from Influencer, but I did receive another one. And this one is from Laura Mercier. Of course, this is complimentary from Influencer. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I will list it down below. I kind of explained my influencer experience. I think I mentioned in that last video that I don't know how I actually got a Vox box, and to this day I don't really know. I try to stay in tune on my influencer app and always check my emails, because sometimes they just pick random people. I think that's how it is. It's just like at random. But I wanted to open this one with you guys. I did take a peek already. Inside I have 3 products this time instead of just one. In the last video I only had one, and I don't think I mentioned this before, but I did receive the very first Vox box from Influencer, and that one was like skincare, and I got 2 products in that box. So this is what the inside looks like. It says, "What makes you unique makes you beautiful," and I love it. So again, I have 3 products in here. The Laura Mercier Tinted Oil Free Moisturizer. I have Laura Mercier's Foundation Primer. They look like the exact same packaging, which is crazy. And then I have a Face Illuminator in Indiscretion. So I have 3 products, and I want to demo them for you. I was able to choose my color, so I chose the color Ochre. Tan now, and I don't know if it's gonna match my skin tone right now. I think I'm just gonna have to mix it on my forehead with another color. So I'm just going to apply this on the face. I have my custom, well, not custom cover drops, but my Total Control drops from NYX. Mix a little bit of this and a little bit of the tinted moisturizer on my hand so I can get like that perfect color. Let me blend this in first. So I'm gonna get my beauty blender. This one is from Maybelline, and I've been really loving it. So I don't know if Laura Mercier like repackaged their tinted moisturizer, or if it's like a new formula. Smells pretty good. I'm so silly. I completely forgot to apply the primer. Oh my god. All right, let's start this over. I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna apply the primer. Okay. Now that I have everything off, I'm gonna go in with the primer first. Foundation primer first. This one I think is just the regular foundation primer. Yeah, the original. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if they repackaged this as well. I did try this yesterday. So one thing about coming back from vacation, and one thing about being completely sunburnt, my skin is super dry, like really dry. This foundation primer feels super hydrating. Let me read the back. Lightweight, vitamin-rich gel that prepares the skin for makeup application. It creates an even, invisible layer that acts as a buffer to outside elements and expertly holds foundation. This water-based formula keeps makeup staying fresh and color true for hours. I actually really like this primer. I've never used Laura Mercier primer on myself before. This one does feel super hydrating on the skin. I like the way it makes my skin feel. I just have like a little bit of a tacky feeling to it, but it doesn't, like, I don't look oily, right? I look kind of like glowy. I feel very hydrated, but I don't look oily, which I really like. It's a gel formula. Gel formulas are always great for someone who has oily skin. Now that we have our primer on the face, let's go in with the tinted moisturizer. So back again, I'm going to apply some on my cheeks, and then what I want to do is I want to mix it on my hand. I think I'm gonna blend it in first and then mix it. So the tinted moisturizer color doesn't look that bad, but I think I need to mix a little bit of those cover drops on the skin, just because I feel like it looks a little light. In camera it doesn't look that bad, but it looks a little light. So I added a little bit on my hand. I'm gonna mix the NYX Total Control drops. So this is in the color Caramel, so it's super bronze. That's what I came up with. Let's blend it in. So to me, this tinted moisturizer doesn't feel any different. Like, it doesn't feel different from the original, but I'm not sure. I'll have to do some research on that. I'm not sure how much it actually changed. I really like that. It looks really good. My skin looks fresh. I think I want to apply a little bit of concealer. As you guys know, like, I didn't get any concealer in the VoxBox. The last thing that's in the VoxBox is, oh, and I have this little card. Oh my god, I didn't even read about it. Okay. It doesn't really tell me much about the foundation or anything like that. Like, it doesn't say anything that it's a new tinted moisturizer. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can really see. I think it looks pretty good. As you guys know, or hopefully you guys know, Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer is very, very sheer. So I'm not looking for a lot of coverage. It's super hot out today. I look very glowy, like, over here. Like, it almost looks oily. Normally I don't like that just because I'm naturally oily. It is oil-free, the tinted moisturizer that was sent to me, but normally I don't like looking super glowy. Another thing that could be changing the appearance of this tinted moisturizer, I did apply a super creamy moisturizer. This is the Lancome Energy Lift Multi-Action Ultra Sunscreen, but I also use it as a moisturizer because when my skin is normally really, really oily, this is just too much for me. Now that my skin feels really dry, I haven't had a lot of hydration because I've been out in the sun. I didn't wear enough sunscreen. I didn't have my really creamy moisturizer like this with me on vacation. My skin has recently been feeling very, very dry. I want a little bit of extra coverage. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I have my NARS concealer. Drag that down a little bit because I just want a little bit extra coverage too. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply some powder. I have some powder here in my Kat Von D lid. And I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes and all over the face. I'm using my Luxie brush that I got in my BoxyCharm. This is the Luxie, it's supposed to be for foundation, but I always just use it for under the eyes. I feel a lot better now that I used some powder. I don't feel as glowy, but I still feel like I don't have anything on. I feel like I still look really fresh. I think I'm gonna just apply a little bit, just a little of bronzer, just to warm up my skin a little bit, and then just a little bit of blush. So I'm just gonna apply some concealer on my lid. Just gonna blend it out. I love this sponge from Maybelline because it has like a really pointed tip. So I just remembered that I have the face illuminator from Laura Mercier. I can't believe I almost forgot. This is what it looks like in the inside. So beautiful. Look at that. I love this packaging. It's such a beautiful color. It looks almost like a rose gold to me, almost copperish rose gold. It does have a little bit of glitter. I'll apply this just all over my lid and see how that looks. Let's try it. Just so I can have a little bit of precision in my outer corner, I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna grab a bronzer, some of that, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Sorry guys, my camera was overheating, I don't know, but it completely shut off. Right now I am curling my lashes. I am going to apply mascara, and I know I talked about the Milk Kush mascara being one of my favorites, but I actually discovered a new mascara that I really like. The Monsieur Big Waterproof Lancome mascara has been one of my favorites. I did receive this from Sephora as my gratis. I am obsessed. It is so good, at least for me. I think it just makes such a good difference. I think it's more lengthening for me. I think all mascaras end up being just super lengthening versus a lot of volume. Besides that Kush mascara, that was really good. It gave me good volume. Like, you could instantly see that volume. So I've been loving prepping my lips with the Get Slick Flavor Slick Lips Flavor Sticks. Slick Lips actually sent this to me. It's like a brand from Ohio, I believe. A local brand there. But whenever my lips are just like super dehydrated, I always love prepping my lips with this. I kind of want to try this Urban Decay Back Talk. I received this in my gratis. This is their Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss. So I kind of want to try this. I haven't tried this one yet. Ooh, pretty. And it's not sticky. I hate sticky glosses. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This basically completes the look. This is my no makeup look, my ready to go to work kind of look. I hope this video wasn't too long. I know my Kush mascara video was super long. Thank you so much for watching with me. If you haven't subscribed or liked this video, please do so. I want to know what you like and what you dislike. So please hit that subscribe button. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. And again, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Flavor Slick? I don't know, but this is the Lancome Renergy? Sorry guys, my computer. Sorry guys. Okay.